I'm out here at Porto's right now. Gonna pick up some cheese bread and some croissants and cheese rolls and some potato balls. After that, I'm gonna go pick up some flowers and then go to Kavita's apartment and then surprise her with flowers because it's her birthday. But then before we do that, there is a little surprise for her at Airbnb. All her family's been going there, so she doesn't know about it. Planned last minute. They're all driving down right now, and we're gonna go have a little surprise party. She's gonna be so happy. All right, you turn it around now. What do you think?
Damn. That's hella nice.
I killed a lot of bugs on the way there.
Whoa.
It's pretty,
I have the inside slipper on.
it's pretty wide, huh?
Wow. Can I run?
Yeah. Go sit in there if you want. Feels cool, huh?
Wow.
You want to turn it
I
on?
smell fries. Do you eat fries in here?
No.
No?
You want to try turn?
It's just a car.
Hmm?
I don't like the seat though.
I love the seat. That's the best
Really?
part. Yeah.
How do I turn it on? Oh, here.
Hold on.
That's the brake, right?
Shake the thing, the knob. Shake it. Does it shake like harder left and right? Shake it. See that pedal right there? The left one? You have to push it all the way down. All the way down, and then you can turn it on the button. Press the power button. Power button.
Can I release it?
Yeah, you can release it.
It won't move.
Yeah,
right?
it won't move.
Damn, this is hella nice.
Right, you look good in it. Step on the gas. The right one. The right one's always the gas. The far. Yeah, far right.
Does it make noise?
Of course it does. It makes a lot of noise. Now you see that right there? That little lever, the airplane letter, all the way to the right. Now lift it up.
No.
Just lift.
I don't want to make too much noise.
Just trust me, a little bit. It's daytime. You want to hear it. Come on, they'll like it. Don't
Do I have to do the brake?
No, just click it up. Click it up. Click it up again. Click it up again. There, that's good. You heard it? It got louder. Now step on the gas. I think your neighbors are gonna hate you. No, I'm just kidding. Sounds loud, huh?
How do I turn it off?
Just press the button, the power button.
Do I have to press it?
No. Roll up the window. Hey, that's good. Yeah. What do you think about it?
Hella nice. Oh shit. I honestly don't like the seat though.
I love the seat. That's the best part.
Really?
Yeah, that's the reason why I got the car. Just for the share.
You got me power. Oh, thank you.
I missed you so much.
I know, I miss you too.
Are you excited?
I am very excited.
How often-
I wonder what...
How often do I surprise you?
No. Actually,
No? Yeah.
often. Even last year, birthday, you surprised me with bread.
Alright, here. You have to.
But, well, I would say not often, but if you do it, you do it like wow.
Alright, here. You turn around, turn face that way. Hold on, let me put these down. Here, I hang on to this. You know, 'cause I don't need you to hold anything. Turn around. I'll walk you in, don't worry. Walk backwards, walk backwards. a little bit. Here, I'll guide you. Here, you need a backpack. Are you excited?
Yes.
All right. Keep on backing up. Keep on backing up. Hold on, hold on. On the count of three, I tell you to turn around, okay?
Okay.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Come check it out. Come check out this kitchen over here.
Oh
Right?
my god.
Come on here. See? All right, stay right here. I have another present for you, okay? Stay right here, all right? Stay right there. Shh. When I tell you to turn around, okay?
Okay.
All right, it's gonna be kind of. It took a while for me to bring it here for you, but I'm gonna get you. All right?
Okay.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kabul.
Happy birthday to you. Yeah, bro. Y'all did it. Y'all did it. Thank you, everybody, for coming. How you know it? She didn't know it. She didn't know it. Sorry it took me a while. We were, yeah, no problem. Yeah, y'all did it. Alright, so we're heading out to, I don't know where this place is called, but it's somewhere west, and it is called the Field of Lights. Field of Lights. Are you excited to go to the Field of Lights?
Yes.
Are you okay having your face on camera without makeup?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Her jacket's hella dirty.
Cool.
Alright, so we found parking. We're gonna look at a field of lights. It's exciting. And the skies here are actually pretty clear. Look. It's not as bad, but it's still pretty bad. Oh, there's a lot of people. Alright, we made it through security, guys. I got all the drugs in, so we're good. But yeah.
Even tacos.
Oh, this is nice. So apparently it's supposed to, when the sun goes down, these lights, they're powered. These lights are powered by solar power, so they get all the power during the day, and then when the lights go down, it slowly ambers, and then it starts to be really bright like a rainbow, and it's gonna be exciting. So we're gonna go check this out. And yeah, this is supposed to be an art piece of some dude from the other place of the world. Look at this. It's like a off the grid. What do you want to do? Where do you want to go first? Here.
Lift up something.
Here, put it on me and I'll put it on you. So we got the VIP wristbands, you know. Not too tight, not too tight. Alright. My turn. What? That looks pretty damn cool. Alright, shit, here we are. We're about to go on the walk. Can't see anything. There's no flash photography, so. Oh, this looks dope.
I know that you're hiding things, using gentle words to shelter me. Your words were like a dream, but dreams could never fool me. Not that easily.